I expected it to be bad, but I couldn't have imagined what it would be like.
That's the St. Louis County leader reflecting tonight on 2 years since the first COVID case appearing in America.
We hit that milestone tomorrow, but tonight, only on 4, Sam Page talks to our Paige Holsey, reflecting on the ups and the downs of the pandemic.
Did you think that we'd be talking about this 2 years later?
No, absolutely not. We thought we'd see a wave, we would deal with it, and we'd move on. No one expected it to go for 2 years.
But 2 years later, nearly 200,000 positive COVID cases and 2,800 deaths have been reported in St. Louis County. County Executive Sam Page still stands by public health orders, including masking and social distancing, despite vocal criticism.
It's just criminal. No one should be forced to wear a mask.
Sam Page has imposed upon us demands that have been overruled in court.
It's a battle between community benefit and individual rights to be able to do something that may feel like freedom but causes harm to others.
Page says he's never seen public health become so politicized, but he's gone head to head with other politicians on the council.
How many times have I said in the past 18 months what Sam Page is proposing is illegal?
And Missouri Attorney General Eric Schmidt.
This is another illegal act from Sam Page, and we're going to fight it every step of the way.
We have a difference of opinion. He's doing the job he needs to do. I'm doing the job I think I need to do. He's certainly in a political campaign, and that's going to flavor some of the actions that he makes, but there's nothing personal between us.
Page says he thinks the initial coordinated response between the city here and the county was good, but he says he wishes he would have done other things differently.
I would have found folks with more conservative credentials who also support public health orders, and there are many, many in our community. They're a little bit quiet, but they're starting to speak up more.
Despite the criticism, voters overwhelmingly said keep Page in office in the middle of this pandemic. Now up for his first full-term election this fall, he says it's a job he still wants.
You have to be ready to make hard decisions, and then you have to recognize that not everybody's going to like them. But someone has to make those decisions. I'm hopeful that we can get away from these masks in the coming weeks. I am, and I'd like to be able to do more in-person events, and I'd like to see our council meetings back to in-person.
And a big topic at those meetings in the weeks to come will be how to spend millions of dollars in the next round of federal COVID relief money. For News 4, I'm Paige Holsey.